Hello friends, welcome back. We are here in our video series preparing for NDA. As we know that the date of our NDA exam has been declared, that is on 6th of September 2020. With respect to that, we are just planning for to get it within 77 days because we have only 77 days in our hand. Yesterday we had a discussion about the second major subject in second paper, that is general ability test. It was English. It comprises 200 marks and we planned it for how to get it prepared for NDA exam. Now the second part of that GTA, general ability test is general knowledge, which includes physics, chemistry, general science, social studies, geography and current events. Now we will go for one by one. This is the third most major subject in our NDA exam. That is, first one is mathematics, 300 marks. Second one is English, 200 marks, and for 100 marks physics is there. It is the part of general knowledge, second part of general ability test paper. Let's have a glimpse over these points which are the part of the syllabus content. This is only the glimpse over, not in detail. We will go in detail as per our due course will go forward. Okay. This is the part A, physics, which comprises 100 marks and 25% weightage is there out of 400 marks. Okay. It includes physical properties and states of matter, solid, liquid, gases, and their properties, physical properties. Then motion, acceleration, velocity, specific gravity, that is the including part of this chapter. Then heat and temperature, measure of heat, temperature. Then light. So we had studied this light in our previous years also. Then magnet, earth is as a magnet, we studied in this chapter. Then static and current electricity and simple machines. Okay, this is the glimpse over of the syllabus content of physics. Simple hai, because it is studied already in our last previous 2 to 3 years back. From 9 to 12, if you can observe the syllabus of NCERT and our state board also, it is actually upgraded now. These topics are included in that, and same is the content that you have to study for physics. Okay. Then we move to this part, that is chemistry. 15% weightage is there, that is out of 400 marks, 60 marks. Questions are there, 15 questions are there for chemistry. It includes physical and chemical changes, that is elements, mixture, compounds, the symbols, formulae, formations that we'll study in this chapter. Then preparation of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, then oxidation and reduction reactions. Then acids, bases and salts we'll study in detail. Carbon and its different forms. Fertilizers, natural and artificials. Then material used in soap, glass, ink, paper, cement, gunmetal, etc. That we will study this in this chapter. And then structure of atom. Structure of atom in detail, chemical bonding, etc. That will be included in these topics. Simple topics are there for our syllabus content. it is observed that so far as the previous question papers are there, basically the syllabus content is same, but what we observe that some boys are saying that some questions are out of syllabus. Actually, that are not out of syllabus, that are related to the syllabus, but extensively it is asked. Therefore, we must have to think about whenever you are studying a specific concept, at that time you just get it, understand first what's the meaning of the title of the concept, and then get it through, go into. For example, photosynthesis is there, then just get the meaning of that photosynthesis in fraction, that is photons and synthesis, photons and synthesis. That it means that a synthesis by means of photons. If you get this title clear, then when you go in deep study, then you will get that concept clear. Basically, you have to get the concept understandable first and then implement it. That is only the design, that is only the fact to design such type of syllabus, so that the knowledge and the implementation of your knowledge is set by the examiner. Then we will move to this one, general science, especially biology content is there. It is of 10% weightage. Out of 400, 40 marks are there. 10 questions will be asked. 4 marks per question. It includes difference between living and non-living things. Then basis of life, it is cells, protoplasm, tissues. Then growth and reproduction in plants and animals. Human body, its organs, detailed study of human body. Then internal organs also, we will study it in this chapter. Then common epidemic, their causes and prevention. That is the need nowadays to study about, because these types of epidemics may happen repeatedly or frequently. So we must be well acquainted with this knowledge, how to prevent it and what are the causes to find it out. Then food, that is the energy source of our human being, and different types of foods. Then what is balanced diet, food poisoning, malnutrition, that will come in the later period, later course. Then we will study the solar system, then comets, asteroids, meteoroids. That we will study this in solar system, and some achievements of eminent scientists. So this is the content of general science, that is especially designed by me for the biology subject. And whole syllabus, if you can observe it carefully, definitely you will find yourself that you have studied it. You have already studied it in 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Especially NCERT books, if you can refer, you will find all these topics in detail, and you will get yourself comfortable to study with physics, chemistry and biology, because this is the major part of general knowledge, part of second paper general ability test, which comprises 100 plus 60 plus 40, that is 200 marks for science. That is, first one is mathematics, 300 marks, second one is English, 200 marks, and 200 marks for this science, general science. Okay. In the next video we will go for social studies, geography and current events. Before that I would like to conclude again. This is not the detailed syllabus. This is the just glimpse over it. Okay. But when we will go through the concepts, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that every concept is easy to understand, but just you have to keep your mentality, tendency to get it absorbed. Definitely you will get the concept and the success as well. So students, I think this is sufficient for these topics. Definitely you will be prepared for, because I have some ideas put it into your mind. You might have that inculcated in yourself. Just go through it and face this exam on 6th of September 2020. All the best. Don't worry, be happy. Stay with us at RBP Tricks YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.